Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we will learn create a canvas. To include a canvas element on a web page, we need to add it to the body element in the page HTML file. So I have this index.html, and we need the opening and closing HTML tags, the canvas tag, as the canvas element doesn't have any required attributes. However, it is a good idea to give the canvas an ID so we can easily access it using JavaScript. It is also common to set the element's width and height attributes so we can establish the size of the canvas. Images that appears in the canvas are generated using JavaScript and not HTML. Any HTML between the opening and closing tags will appear only if the browser doesn't support the canvas element. So this can be used as a fallback for older or text-only browsers. So let's create a HTML file. Uh, for our case, it's index.html. It will include a canvas element. So let's add HTML tag, then head tag, and in head we have title, the page title. And after the head, we have a body tag. Inside body, we are going to add canvas tag. And we are going to assign ID to this canvas. Then we are going to have a width 500 and height of 300. Then we close the canvas tag. So now we are going to add a script file. So we can include here script source, and the file name is script.js, and we just end the script tag. The width and height attribute specifies the size of the canvas in pixels. By default, the canvas is transparent, so you won't actually see anything if you load the page. So now we want to make a static drawing. So we have a canvas element. We are ready to draw it using JavaScript and the canvas API. So we will start by drawing a solid rectangle. So we need our script.js file, and here we get a reference to the canvas element by using document.querySelector method. So let's do that. Document.querySelector. So we select the canvas by its ID, and the canvas element has a method called get context, which we will use to get the canvas drawing context. The drawing context is an object that provides the entire canvas API as a set of methods and properties like fill rectangle and fill style. We will use these methods and properties uh, that we can use to draw images on the canvas. So in our case, we are going to pass in the string 2D to get the context method to request the two-dimensional drawing context. So let's do that. And then we are going to use fill style to set the color. So I'm going to set it to green. So let's set the fill style property. So now we are going to draw a fill rectangle using the current fill color with the fill rect method. This method takes four arguments: the x and y coordinates of the top left corner of the rectangle and the width and height of the rectangle in pixel. So the coordinates work the same way as the coordinates for the whole browser window. X value increases as you move from left to right across the canvas, and Y value increases from top to bottom. So let's try that. So we are going to use ctx dot fill correct 10 10 then 200 and then 100. Now I'm going to open my index.html file in a live browser. So here is our output, our canvas. Now we will learn how to draw outlined rectangles. Fill rect for making a rectangle filled with the color. The canvas API provides the stroke red method for outlining or stroking a rectangle. So we can try that one. Now we are going to specify the width of the outline with the line width property, setting it to 2 pixels wide. So let's do that. And we are going to use ctx dot stroke style we are going to use a stroke rect rather than fill style and fill rect to create an outline rectangle with no fill color. The stroke rect method takes the same arguments as fill rect. So just gonna change this one name to stroke rect. Stroke rect. And we go back to our browser. So now we can see the rectangle is now outlined in red with no fills. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Asim Code, like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.